So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own mini studio for a photo shoot for under $100. Stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to do is hang the backdrop for your photo shoot. I bought this backdrop off of Amazon for $13, I believe it was. These balloons were purchased from the Dollar Tree for about $1 each. Each pack has about 10 balloons. This 6-month banner was purchased off of Amazon as well. It says happy 6 months, and this was only $10. Here comes the fun part. This outfit is so super cute. I purchased this as well off of Amazon. This outfit was $13 and some change. It comes with a nice cute little hat, Mickey Mouse ears, also the bottom, and it has a cute little bow tie and some suspenders as well. Now it's time to dress the model. So I'm not even gonna lie, it did take us a minute to get him settled down and situated. But for some reason he just would not, he was so distracted with everything that was around him. Like it was challenging, you know, but it was all worth it in the end. The whole shooting time took about less than 30 minutes, I would say. And in total we got we got probably about 50 shots done, maybe 4 or 5, which were really, really good. So it was worth it. In this video, I'm using the Rebel T6 to shoot. But the final pictures at the end you'll see was actually shot on my iPhone using the portrait mode. So we are finally done. Now these are the final photos, you guys. I did this with my iPhone. If I can do it, so can you. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment below if you'd like to see more or if you would like to know how I edited these photos. Bye.